Hi everyone, my name is Carson MUA here on YouTube. I use the Banana Fetish palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics just to do this look. I'm going to do a review on it very soon and talk about it because I just got it not too long ago. I was going to use wings and draw some wings on here, but I decided not to because you usually can't do the same thing on this side, so I didn't do that this time, but maybe next time because I'm covering fairies on my HMM channel, and so that's why I was going to do wings on this look, but I decided not to and just do pretty easy dots. It still looks fairy-ish and, you know, incorporated in it, so that's kind of what I want to go for. If you haven't followed me on Instagram or TikTok, it is COSMUA on YT, so please go check that out. Links are in the description. If you never heard of HMM and History Mystery Monday, go check out my other channel, is in the description as well. Anything I use is always in the description, and let's get into the look. Hello everyone, voiceover Carson here. If you guys ever wonder why I do voiceovers, it takes me about an hour to do my makeup, or a little bit over an hour, and with makeup I can, you know, speed it up at least and listen to music while I'm doing it, so at least it gives me an easier time to just sit here, voice record, talk over what I'm doing. I always say, if you guys want to know anything I use, it obviously is listed down below. My tongue did not want to move correctly when I was saying that. But yeah, if you guys ever want to know anything that I use, if you guys have never known that, I always list every single thing, every product that graces my face down below, so you guys can just go down in the description and be like, oh, this is what she used during this time. Okay, I'd like to use it. So don't worry, I got you covered, boo-boo. I might not be talking about it, at least in voiceover, because I've learned that I do not like doing that, because I have to talk very fast when doing it, and my brain doesn't move as quick as my mouth, or my mouth doesn't move as quick as my brain. You know the saying, probably, but so that's why I at least at the beginning of my channel I did start doing that, but now I just don't do it because it's very hard for me to just sit here and try to ramble, get everything on point, everything said, you know, it's a struggle, so that's why I just don't do it anymore. As of recording this weekend is New Year's Eve, recording this voiceover, but when I will be posting this, it will be January 11th. So I hope you guys have had a good January so far, beginning of January. That was a little cameo from Dylan. Don't mind us talking, we're trying to figure out what we were doing for dinner that night while I was recording this. Yeah, so we are technically still in December as of voice recording this. I was recording this during the early December, but this is now late December, so ignore any of the Christmas decorations. I probably already said that in any of my other videos. Ignore the Christmas decorations. You will only see them, I think this is the last video you'll probably see the decorations in the background. My next videos after this will be probably back to normal because it will be after Christmas and we don't have to do Christmas decorations no more. So yeah, so for as of right now, I don't know if I have posted any sit down Saturdays just yet. I know as of recording this, I haven't I haven't edited them. I only edited one, but I hope by the time of posting this, I have edited them. I have already started posting them, and you guys get to see them. And talking about Sit Down Saturdays, I will have a video for a review for the specific palette that I'm using, the Banana Fetish palette, during this video. So I recorded a look, which is this video, and then I did my review of this video, and then I will be doing my H&M with this look. I had the inspiration of fairies, so that's kind of how this look got inspired, and the way I made it was because of, I'll be talking about the fairies, you know, that type of thing. And I thought, you know, what better look to do to match kind of the fairy vibe would be like a pastel kind of look. You know, I thought maybe lavender, maybe light green, like a pastel green. I've done a lot of blues, so I wasn't gonna plan on doing a blue. Then I got this palette, and it has yellow shades, and I don't really use yellow. So what better time to do a look, a review, and an H&M combined with it. So that's kind of how that inspiration came upon. I hope you guys will enjoy when I do end up posting my Sit Down Saturdays. I hope you guys do enjoy those little videos. They will come occasionally. I hope you guys will let me know if you would enjoy them. Let me know any other kind of looks. There's that palette. Let me know any other kind of looks you guys have ideas for. I will be covering, I think, the Star Wedding palettes next, or very soon after this. And then I will be also doing a few more palettes, because I now have basically every Jeffree Star palette. So I will be not the newest, because as this, it's the psychedelic palette, the new one, like during the time of recording this, but the technical newest one that I know about is of this very instant. I did not get that one. I didn't really like it too much. It wasn't going to be things that I probably would use. But I did get the Jawbreaker palette. I did get the Prick palette. I did get the Orgy, the Blood Money, the what else did I get? The cremated one. I also got for Christmas the Pink Religion one. So basically I have all the palettes besides like the Androgyny palette, the Beauty Killer palettes, the Alien palette, but that was discontinued. I do have the Conspiracy palette. I've used that many times, and the Mini. But we don't really talk about that, you know. But yeah. I have lipsticks that I want to review for you guys. The consistency and the feel of them. Other brands I want to cover, you know, ColourPop. I want to do Maybelline, maybe, L'Oreal, Elf, a whole bunch of different Milani, a whole bunch of different types of brands, even other brands. I want to try Beauty Bakery. I haven't been able to get really anything Beauty Bakery just yet. That might be the next brand that I will go for. Let me know if they're any good. I've heard good things about them, obviously. And let me know if you guys have bought anything Beauty Bakery related. I always think the packaging is so freaking cute. But let me know if you guys have tried them, if you guys like them. Any other brands you guys might think I would like. I found some gothic-y type brands from TikTok, like cosmetic brands specifically. I mean, punk, alternative, not really gothic-y, but more alternative type makeup brand. But I might try them. Might look into them, see what all they're about. And yeah, big ideas, big plans for this channel. I hope you guys are ready for the ride, ready for everything that will happen, excited about everything that will happen. I hope you guys enjoy my content. If you guys have any tips and tricks of like what I should do for my channel going on, if things that you might enjoy more from my channel, let me know. I might change up the way I edit my videos a little bit. It's just I haven't yet, because I want to make sure at least I am able to post these in a timely manner, at least as of this moment, with everything for the holidays still going on when recording this and when I had to film these videos. So, but I will be probably later on investing in a camera, hopefully investing in a better microphone than what I used, and even while recording these, like not having a lav mic attached to me, having better audio for that even, and better audio for these, the voiceovers. So I hope to do that, and just big things happening, big things coming, and big ideas, big excitement. I'm excited for the things I have prepared and the things I have ideas about. But let me know any of your ideas and what you guys want to see from me, what you guys think I should do. I let you guys know that every time. Tell me how you're feeling. Let me know any of these kinds of things down in the comments. I would love to read them, engage with you guys. Follow me on Instagram, message me on there, or leave comments on there, or talk to me, and I'll engage with you guys and like get your opinions on how I should, do some things. I'd love to hear from you guys. So that's kind of why I always say something about like, don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you, even if it's just hi. I don't care if it's just hi. I'll say hi back, But just as long as I know you're there, and I see that you watch my videos and you enjoy my videos and you want to actually engage with the content, I appreciate and love every single one of you guys who sit here and watch my videos. And returning, I know a lot of you guys are new. I enjoy the fact you guys are even taking the time to watch my videos. And yeah, so I hope you guys are going to become more returning than non. And that was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video to see the look that I made with this. I'll probably be obviously making more looks, and like I said, I will be doing a review pretty soon, so be on the lookout for that. Go give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe. I post every Wednesday, and the review is probably coming on my sit down Saturdays. Also, ignore any Christmas decorations. I have to pre-record this because I have family coming in, and when this video would be coming up, they are still going to be in town, so I wouldn't have enough time to record this video and the previous. So ignore the Christmas decorations that are up still, since I'm recording this at the beginning while my mom is out of town before she brings my family into town. So that's why there's still Christmas decorations. But yes, so give this video a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified when I post the Saturday sit down videos and when I post on Wednesday, and I will see you in the next video.